Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Let's get started today's class. And today's class we are going to explore wants and desires. Yes, you have heard it right. So everybody has their wants and desires, but they don't know how to express them in English. Yes, we do have some wants and we do have some desires that are really wonderful. For example, if you want to travel, if you want to travel to Europe, if you want to do this, if you want to do that. So, to express that wants and desires and also compulsions. Compulsion means the things that you are not supposed to do or you don't want to do, but you have the responsibility to do. For example, we have to work, we have to eat healthy food. We don't want to, but we really have to. Okay, so students, introduction want to versus have to, know the difference. Yeah, you have heard it right. We are going to explore the desires and compulsion together in this lesson and let's break it down to understand what it says. Let's get started. In today's class, we are going to explore that what type of desires and wants you have and what type of responsibilities you have. To express responsibility, you can use have to. Have to. And to express your desires and wants, you have to express want to. If I really willingly, if I am interested in something, for example, my interest is to go abroad. So I would say, I want to go abroad. I want to study. I want to play. I want to do this. I want to do that. Similarly, if something is my responsibility, I don't want to do that, but it is my responsibility or it is my obligation. For example, eating healthy is good. So, how to say that? I have to eat healthy. I have to do exercise. I have to, participate in sports. So, what's the difference? Want to means desires, things you choose to do for fun, you know, that makes you basically happy. Example, I want to travel the world, I want to learn a new language, I want to play video games. Yes, that is true. These are some of the things that we love to do and that creates fun, right? We love to do that. But some are the obligations, some are the responsibilities that we have in our life which we have to do. Likewise, I have to wake up early in the morning for my work. I have to travel for my work. I have to do my job. I have to teach a student. No, but I believe this is not my obligation to teach students. I want to teach a student. That is, I like to. So, students, whatever the desires you have in your heart, that the things that you love to do, you can express through English with the sentence, with the structure want to, want to, and with the obligations, the responsibilities that you have to do, there you are going to use have and then to. Keep this in mind. You are supposed to use to means preposition with the helping verb to make this structure more powerful. Yes, you have heard it right. Now let's explore have to compulsion, things you need to do because they are obligations, duties, or necessary items. I have to finish this project by tomorrow. I have to pay bills on time. I have to attend school. I have to do my job. I have to clean house. I have to stay healthy, right? So for those things which are my obligations, which are my duties, that I can't deny, the unavoidable verb, that is have to, right? Mothers have to cook daily. They have to clean house. They have to do laundry. They have to do a lot of home chores. So students, some are the duties and responsibilities and obligations that we have in our life. We can express these sentences, we can express these emotions with the structure have to. You have a lot of desires in your life. That is want to. I want to learn photography to capture memories. I want to eat my favorite food, that is biryani, pizza, or anything. I want to watch my favorite show. But here have to, that is obligation. I am teaching the both topics together because the both topics are the opposites of each. Yes, they are the opposites. Sometimes we love to do something, there we are going to use want to. Sometimes we don't love to do, but we have to do because that is responsibility. So there we are have to use have to structure. You are supposed to create thousands, millions, and billions of sentences using the proper structure, which I taught you just right now. So, now let's have a practice time, and practice is the only solution that makes a man's perfect. It's activity time. Students, I'm going to tell you some of the sentences which you are going to complete in the comment section. And yes, we are about to close this 30 days speaking course. And after that, I'll be sharing the certificates for the shortlisted students, those who have participated and attended my all the lesson. What you have to do is that you have to share the lesson with others and take the screenshot, and also share that in comment section just for the acknowledgement. The more you share, the more chances you qualify for the certificate. For that, you have to at least share it with 5 to 10 family members. Take your time and you will be qualified for the certificate. Now complete this activity and send the screenshot of your shared once. Now let's complete this and let's explore more new things in the upcoming lessons and the upcoming series. I'll be starting grammar tips and tricks and more useful tips for the communication and conversation that can boost your English speaking. Stay tuned, stay connected, complete this activity, and also you can make a lot of sentences just using want to and have to structure. Stay connected. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon. At least I deserve this. So take care of yourself. Bye bye.